Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Toyota Prius battery. First, prioritize safety. Always disconnect the 12V auxiliary battery before touching any high-voltage components. Make sure the vehicle is completely off and the smart key is far from the car. Wear insulated gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from potential electrical hazards. This is crucial for your well-being during the entire process. Once safety precautions are in place, you can begin accessing the battery. Start by removing the rear cargo area trim panels to expose the battery compartment. You'll then need to locate the high-voltage service plug, which is typically bright orange. Carefully pull the lever on this plug to disconnect it, effectively de-energizing the high-voltage system. This step is vital before proceeding further. With the high-voltage system de-energized, you can now disconnect the remaining components. Unbolt and remove the battery cooling fan and its associated ducting. Next, carefully disconnect all smaller electrical connectors and wiring harnesses attached to the battery pack. Finally, locate and remove the main mounting bolts that secure the battery to the vehicle's chassis. Keep track of all hardware for reinstallation. Now it's time for the physical removal of the battery pack. This component is quite heavy, often weighing over 100 pounds, so it's highly recommended to have assistance or use appropriate lifting equipment. Carefully lift the battery pack straight out of its compartment. Once removed, store the battery in a safe, dry, and well-ventilated area, away from any potential hazards. Proper disposal or recycling is also important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.